ये कुछ स्टॉल्स देख रहे हैं, जाके देखते क्या मिलता है। दिख रहा है, मैं वहाँ पे पूछती हूँ क्या खाने में क्या अवेलेबल है। ये वाला
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Travelloged presents Kashmir Diaries. Today I am going to take you to Nishat, Baagh, Kashmir.
कश्मीरी मसाला डोसा है
ओके
जो कटिंग में आता है,
ओके।
और कश्मीरी पुलाव,
कश्मीरी पुलाव और क्या है?
राजमा चावल,
राजमा चावल।
कश्मीरी दम आलू।
अच्छा, तो अभी जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया वो कश्मीरी राजमा चावल है ना? ओके, सो ये सारा कश्मीरी है, तो मैं ट्राई करके देखूंगी कि क्या फ़र्क है, कैसा है। और साथ में ये भाई है स्नो पिक्स, इनकी ड्राई फ्रूट्स की शॉप पे आप देख सकते हैं। तो साथ ये कुछ अचार है ना, हाँ क्या बोलते हैं इसको? प्याज प्याज ये अच्छा है, टेस्टी है। राजमा चावल वापस जा रहे हैं भैया के साथ। भैया आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम है
यस।
श्रीनगर में हूँ, मैं यहाँ का ड्राइवर हूँ, मैं सब घुमाता हूँ, लोकल जितने भी जाना होगा वो
तो आपको साइट सीइंग करना हो
कहाँ भी
इनके साथ कर सकते हैं। ये क्या यूनिवर्सिटी?
And this is the 360-degree view. And now I will go and buy my ticket.
तो अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है। ये यहाँ का टिकट काउंटर है।
Nishat Baagh is a terraced Mughal garden built on the eastern side of Dal Lake, close to Srinagar in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, India. It is the second largest Mughal garden in the Kashmir Valley. Shalimar Baagh is also located on the bank of the Dal Lake. Nishat Baagh is Urdu and means the garden of joy, garden of gladness and garden of delight. Located on the bank of the Dal Lake with the Zabarwan mountains as the backdrop, Nishat Baagh is a garden with views of the lake beneath the Pir Panjal mountain range. The Baagh was designed and built in 1663 by Asif Khan, elder brother of Noor Jahan. An anecdote is told of the jealousy of the Emperor Shah Jahan on beholding such a delightful garden, which led to the abandonment of the garden for some time. When Shah Jahan saw the garden after its completion in 1633, he expressed great appreciation of its grandeur and beauty. He is believed to have expressed his delight 3 times to Asif Khan, his father-in-law, in the hope that he would make a gift of it to him. As no such offer was forthcoming from Asif Khan, however, Shah Jahan was piqued and ordered that the water supply to the garden should be cut off. The garden was then deserted for some time. Asif Khan was desolate and heartbroken. He was uninterested in the sequence of events when he was resting under the shade of a tree. In one of the terraces, his servant was bold enough to turn on the water supply source from the Shalimar Baagh. When Asif Khan heard the sound of water and the fountains in the action, he was startled and immediately ordered the disconnection of the water supply, as he feared the worst reaction from the emperor for his wanton act of disobedience. Fortunately for the servant and for the Khan, Shah Jahan, who had heard about this incident at the garden, was not disturbed or annoyed by the disobedience of his orders. Instead, he approved of the servant's loyal service to his master and then ordered the full restoration rights for the supply of water to the garden to Asif Khan, his prime minister and father-in-law. Mughal Princess Sura Begum, daughter of the Mughal Emperor Alamgir II and granddaughter of the Emperor Jahandar Shah, is buried in this garden. Now let's talk about the architecture of Nishat Baagh. Nishat Baagh has a broad cascade of terraces lined with avenues of chinar and cypress trees, which starts from the lake shore and reaches up to an artificial facade at the hill end. Rising from the edge of the Dal Lake, it has 12 terraces representing 12 zodiacal signs. However, it has only 2 sections, namely the public garden and the private garden for the Zanana or Harem vis-a-vis the 4 sections of the Shalimar Baagh. This difference is attributed to the fact that the later Baagh catered to the Mughal emperor, while Nishat Baagh belonged to a man of his court, a noble. There are, however, some similarities with the Shalimar Baagh, such as the polished stone, channel and terraces. The source of water supply to the 2 gardens is the same. Built in an east-west direction, the top terrace has the Zenana garden, while the lowest terrace is connected to the Dal Lake. In recent years, the lowest terrace has merged with the approach road. A spring called the Gopi Thirst provides clear water supply to the gardens. There are a few old Mughal period buildings in the vicinity of the Baagh. Central canal, which runs through the garden from the top end, is 4 meters, that is 13 feet wide, and has a water depth of 20 centimeters, that is 7.9 inches. Water flows down in a cascade from the top to the first level at the road level, which could be also approached from the Dal Lake through a shikara ride. The water flow from one terrace to the next is over-stepped stone ramps that provide a sparkle to the flow. At all the terraces, fountain with pools are provided. Along the water channel, at channel crossings, benches are provided. Let's talk about the 12 terraces. The details of the 12 terraces have been recorded as originally built. The first terrace is a water collection chamber that is also linked to the side floor from the garden. The second terrace is accessed through a gate. This terrace has 5 fountains that has supplied water from the third terrace, from where it flowed to the lowest terrace. third terrace has a different design. The water chute has 5 arched open niches in the front and similar niches on the side. A pavilion, that is a baradari, a 2-storied structure which existed here when it was originally built, has been dismantled. Stairways on either side of the channel lead to the third terrace, which has a square chamber with 5 fountains. Moving up the flight of the steps, 4 steps on either side of the channel, leads to the fourth terrace. The fourth terrace has 2 levels, namely a water channel and a square pool. Stairways with 7 steps lead to the fifth terrace. The fifth terrace, where a stone bench is provided to take in the views across the channel. This also has a square chamber with 5 fountains. The sixth terrace is at 2 levels with 5 fountains and distinctive paving pattern. The seventh terrace, where the same pattern continues. The eighth terrace is only a water channel or chute. The ninth terrace at the end of the 2 stairways, which is an octagonal bench. The pool in this terrace has 9 fountains. The stairways to the 10th terrace are along the side retaining walls, where only the water chute with fountains is provided. Engraved paths lead to an impressive 11th terrace, which has 25 fountains in a pool. Up from this dramatic terrace is the last one. The Zenana chamber, that is the 12th terrace, is covered in the front by 5.5 meters, that is 18 feet high wall with a facade of blind arch. Only one arch is this blind facade provides an opening to the 12th terrace. 2 small octagonal towers on either side of the retaining walls provide views of the lower level terraces. 2-story pavilion here is surrounded by a lovely garden with lush plantings. Out of all the terraces, the second terrace is considered the most impressive in view of the 23 niches provided in the arched terraces just behind the cascade. Originally, lighted lamps used to be placed at these niches. The second terrace also has an abundance of Persian lilacs and pansies coupled with sparkling cascading water over the chute, which provided a lovely sight. Another interesting feature in the Nishat Baagh is of the many stones and marble thrones that are placed at the head of almost every waterfall. So friends, that's all about Nishat Baagh, and if you really like my vlog, then please drop in your comments about this lovely Nishat Baagh and do come in and visit this lovely place. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And yes, do tell me where are you watching from. Also friends, I have shared in this vlog all the details and cost about the itinerary. You can also check out my previous vlogs and my upcoming vlogs. So stay tuned and keep watching friends. So friends, this is my day 3 total cost, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned to my Instagram freaky free 11 and watch my upcoming vlogs and old vlogs. Thank you.